Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add your address in Remitly account from PC, or you can do it from your mobile. It's really easy to do this thing. So here you can say I'm the homepage of a Remitly account. So what you need to do, you need to click here. You can say hi and you will see your name on the display. Simply click on the down arrow. You can see the right top corner on your screen, and then click here settings, and after that you will get the page. This is the setting page and user information. So here you'll get some option, so you need to wait for getting the page. So then you can see profile information, and you have to give the authentic information here. So simply tap here or click here add, and then you can see street address, apartment, city, state, and zip code. So I'm just giving the city. You can see village, or you can give your holding name on your home. So like you can say okay, like California, like I can say it's anything, and then you can say apartment. You have to give your apartment, for example, like 50, okay, New Avenue, and you have to give your city here. Like I'm going to give my city, Las Vegas, Las Vegas. Or you have to give your state if you have the state. So like it's the United States. In United States there are 50 states, so I'm just choosing. And you have to give the zip code. If you don't find what is your actual zip code, then go to another tab and choose like what is the what is the zip code of Florida. Okay, then you'll get the zip code here. So it's really easy to catch up the zip code from the Google or any other search engine, and then Remitly, and after that give your thing and simply click on the save. Once you save, before that you have to look after again what you see. You have to give the authentic information, I repeat. So after that save, and it will be set it perfectly. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. Please consider to subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching the video.